Pick up your markers, let's start the fun. Crafty Kids Chronicles has just begun. Cut, glue, and craft with flair. Join us today, we'll take you there. So come along, it's time to create. With Crafty Kids, it's going to be great. Hey guys, today we're making adorable and functional conversation heart clips. These are perfect for Valentine's Day and a great way to display photos and messages on your fridge. Stick around to find out how to do this. We're starting with small wooden hearts as the base for our clips, so you'll use some acrylic paint and choose colors inspired by real conversation hearts like pastel pink, yellow, purple, green, or blue, and paint each heart and let them dry completely before moving on. Next, grab a wooden clothespin and a small magnet. Use a strong adhesive or hot glue to attach the magnet to the back of the clothespin. Let the glue set for a few minutes before moving on. Once the paint is dry on the hearts, it's time to add your messages. Use a fine tip marker or a paint pen to write classic phrases like "be mine," "love you," or "XOXO." You can also get creative and write your own personalized messages. Just keep it short and sweet for that authentic conversation heart look. Now let's bring it all together. Apply some glue to the flat side of the clothespin and press the wooden heart onto it. Make sure it's centered and secure and hold it in place for a few seconds to let the glue bond. And just like that, your clip is complete. These conversation heart clips are not only adorable but also super handy. You can use them to hang notes or photos on your fridge or give them as thoughtful handmade gifts for Valentine's Day. They're a perfect mix of cute and practical.